Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevy Malibu RS. Powered by the 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. This thing is actually a lot of fun. It's a shame that they're discontinuing the Malibu. Chevy's getting rid of all their cars, I do believe. But that's what the market wants. 26590, Mosaic Black, Metallic over Jet Black, $26,590. Not a bad interior at all. Take a look at that 1.5. Do believe that's our smallest 4-cylinder displacement-wise. Well, if you ever need to work on your turbo, there it is. Put the turbo right there. Starting to snow. Whew. Very, very nice cloth interior. Because this is the RS, you have red stitching. It says RS here. Does it? No. Oh, it's a shame. I was really hoping it would. Backup camera. And then this is your key as well. Let's go for a drive because I want to go home and I still have 2 more trucks after this. Go ahead and see what the ABS does. Over that snow, yeah, that's what I like about doing these in the winter time is you could start testing out how's the ABS react, how does stability control react to these things. So the 1.5 turbo is paired up with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. No actual gear ratios. It instead uses a series of belts and pulleys to imitate actual gears, mechanical gears. And it basically allows the car to be in whatever gear it needs. So cruising around town, it can be as economical as possible. And then when you need the power, it can rev out and be right in the power bands. It's a really, really ingenious solution. And they've gotten a lot better with the progression of technologies. You can feel the 1.5 is designed to be powering, gives its peak torque down low. Right about 5,000 RPM, it'll start to You'll feel the torque line start to drop off. But down low, it is strong. Matter of fact, I think this is the only car other than the Bolt. Oh, and the Sonic. Sonic is still available. I think the Spark is gone. I mean, and you have the Camaro and Corvette, but good luck getting your hands on a Corvette right now. If you walk into a dealership saying, hey, I want one, unless somebody backed out of an order, you're out of luck. I know that because I want one. Badly. Oil burner. That's nice. I didn't want it to start snowing now. Come on. Well, luckily the last two are trucks, so I don't think we're getting any accumulation this afternoon. I love this Malibu. I'm very, very sad that they're getting rid of all their cars, but it's what the market wants. I'm sure they'll bring them back in the form of EVs now that everybody wants EVs, but it's very, very sad. I don't know what specific year they're discontinuing it. I thought it was done for 2020, but this is a 21, so obviously not. But I know for a fact there won't be another redesign. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.